How to sign up for Bluehost affiliate program. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can simply sign up for Bluehost affiliate program. So first you come on to bluehost.com. And over here, you guys can see that you guys will simply get $65 for each qualified sign up / referral that you guys bring over to Bluehost's website. You guys can sign up for free, and this is super fast as well. They're not going to charge you any money. And of course, making $65 is a big deal. You guys can also get tracking links to segment your referred traffic. You guys can also monitor how different activity performs, and you guys can also compare campaigns as well. But at the end of the day, you guys are going to be making money. So you guys can use a PayPal or electronic bank transfer to basically receive the money, and you guys can simply track the sales as well. And their custom tracking is hard coded into their platforms, so you always get credit. They also have several ways of tracking sales. So all in all, they're a one-stop solution if you want to make really good money for yourself. So to get started, click on join now, and then this is gonna take you over to their sign up page. So as soon as you guys get to their sign up page, all that you guys need to do is simply fill in the information, and you guys are going to be signed up for their referral program, and you guys can start earning $65 as soon as you guys start sharing your referral link, which you guys are going to get once you have signed up completely. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.